Hi, boys and girls. Today's math page, this is for Wednesday, January 12th. Today's math page is this page. It is page number 47 and 48. You will need crayons for one part of this and a pencil for the rest. I don't think you'll need crayons on any other place but one part on the back. First, I want to show you a special symbol. This is a symbol that stands for equals. And equals means there's the same amount on this side as there are on this side. Look, I have 4 fingers here and 4 fingers here. So there is an equal number of fingers there. Well, let's say I took, 3 away and still had 4 over here and 1 over here. Is that equal? Nope. So I'm going to take that away. Now, that every time we write our numbers, we use an equal sign for if we're adding or subtracting, but this might just be for 2 different groups in 2 different sets of things, or like sets. Let me show you some examples. If I were to hold up this many in each hand, boy, it's hard for you to tell what these are. Remember these little skitters? My grandkids had a set of these and decided to leave them at Grandmary's house. So there's 3 in that hand and 3 in that hand. Whoop, there they are. Is that the same in each hand? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 equals. They are equal sets. Okay, let's look at another one. Oh, something from my nativity. My parents gave me these. They had a whole set of them for their angel hosts of angels. How many angels do you see in each hand? I see 2 in this hand and 2 in this hand. So they are an equal amount of angels. So I could use the equal sign. I'll put it right here. Whoops, right between the 2 because there's the same on each side. That means they are equal. All right, now let's go on to the next one. How about my salt shakers? Oh, I have 2 salt shakers here. Oh, here's 2 in one hand and 1 in the other. Is that equal? No. In fact, this is pepper, but that doesn't mean it wouldn't be equal if I had 2 in one hand and 2 in the other. It'd be 2 sets. But nope, 1 here, not equal. So we're not even going to use the equal sign on that one. Now, how about if I were to hold up some, let's see, I got to put some of this stuff aside. Otherwise, I'll be playing with cars instead of teaching a lesson. Here we go. Do I have an equal amount in each hand? Yes, I do. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we could put the equal sign between the 2 of these, couldn't we? And there's my equal sign. It's just 2 straight lines, one on top of the other. A little space in between. Okay, I think that you probably understand that. Now, let's look at your work page. We have up here your place for your name. So take a minute and put your name down. I'll wait a few seconds. You may have already put your name on. That's great. You may have already done this page already. Some of you go leaping ahead. Okay, that's good. Better to get your work done than not. But if you don't know what you're doing, it's always better to have instructions. This says equal means having the same number. Count the number in each set, write the numeral, and then circle the sets that have an equal number of objects. So let's look at the tally marks. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shuts the door, 6, 7. So I would write 7 right here. And then this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shuts the door, 6, 7, 8, and I would write 8 here. This one would say 7. This one would say 8. Are they the same? Is 7 the same as 8? No, it's not. So I don't get to circle my set there. Let's look at the seahorses. 1, 2, 3. You're going to write 3 here. Let's go over here and count. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put a 3 right here. Are they both the same number? Yes. So then we're going to circle the whole set because they're the same. They're equal. You could even write a little equal sign between them. Let's look at the seashells. Let's count them. And if it's hard to count, just mark them as you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And write 7 right in this spot. Now let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 again. Are there 7 under both? Yes. So you may circle the whole seashell set. You could even write equals in between. Now let's look at the last seashell set. 1, 2, 3. You're going to write 3 right here. And then 1, 2. Are these exactly the same number or are they different? They are different. So we're not going to circle those. We're just going to leave the 3 here and the 2 there. Let's look down at the starfish. Now, this has something that you have to do to add to it. It says draw starfish to make the sets show an equal number. Write the equal sign on the line. So let's see how many there are. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 over here. Let's see what's over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many more do they have to make 5? So it can be equal. 1 more. Draw a star. And remember, you can do a star like we do on the inside of a spider web. A cross and an X will make a star. If you don't know how to make the star that we do with the 7 and up and down. And then when you're done making the one starfish here, put your equal sign in the middle. Remember, it's got 2 lines, look like that, and that'll go right on the little black line there. You'll just put the equal sign right here. And let's go on to the back side. Here's where you'll need your crayons. And I don't have any cubes with me, but you get to count out how many you're going to color for 2 equal sets. So like, let's say if I colored up to here on this one in one color, I might want to use another color or the same color and color up to there. And that would be an equal set. Now let's look down here. It says, name the shapes. What is that? Is that a trapezoid? Is that a trapezoid? Is that a trapezoid? I think they all are. And here we have our honey beehive favorite, a hexagon. A hexagon and a hexagon. And down here we have rectangles, rectangles, and more rectangles. It says, circle the 2 sets in each row that have an equal number of shapes. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see what's in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that the same as that? You could even write 4 underneath, 5 underneath here. And let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write a 4 underneath there. Now you're going to circle the ones that are exactly the same. So I see that this has 4, and I'm going to circle it. And this has 4, and I'm going to circle it. Can you do the last 2 sets by yourself? Do what we did up at the top. Count how many, right underneath how many. Count how many hexagons are here and in the middle, and write the answer. Count how many. then decide which two have the same amount and circle the two that are the same amount or equal. Then the last one, same with the rectangles. I hope you understand that. It'll be easy once you do understand it. And that is all you have to do today for math. I hope we've learned about equal, pretty much the same, isn't it? Same as what we've done in school with the equal sign. When we do shake those beans or something like that, we need to get back to shake those beans. Anyway, we're going to be doing a lot more addition in the future and learning subtraction. Have a great day. I'll see you at the next lesson. Bye.